Have you ever felt trapped in a career that just doesn't feel right? Or tried getting into the IT sector but felt as if you didn't have any support?
You are not alone. The tech industry is booming, yet a lot of people are still struggling to get into the industry. Why is this? There is a lack of access to high quality education as well as real world experiences.
At Melsoft Academy, we take you from beginner to entry-level software engineer in 6 months or less through our intensive online bootcamps.
Our curriculum covers everything, from the basics of HTML to the latest advancements in AI, all taught by industry professionals. And you also graduate with a fully fledged portfolio to showcase to your recruiters.
Speaking of employers, our graduates get to land jobs in some of the world's greatest tech companies, not only in South Africa, but internationally as well.
We offer all our graduates a 100% job placement guarantee after you finish the course with us. And if you don't get a job within 6 months after you graduate, we will pay you back all your tuition fees in full. No questions asked.
It's time to take control of your future.
We're here to help every step of the way.
So join us at Melsoft Academy to start your own rewarding and fulfilling career in tech.